This is a garden at Queen Victoria Market. So that's Queen Victoria Market. The fresh food market. Fruits, veggie. And this is a park. I'm just having a walk. Hi. Weather is nice. It's a bit cold with the wind, but people like this. They're all small plants, very evenly distributed. Today I've traveled a lot from Greensboro to Box Hill to the city, all the time, public transport, walking, waiting. The whole day is gone just like that. Very strong smell. Wow, very strong. Whoa. Do not touch. Do not recommend. Don't even know the name, but very strong smell. So they protect the tree. Maybe they don't want possum to go up, I guess. I think this is a Longbow place. Longbow. Yeah, it is, I think. Yes. So I've walked a small circle and then came back to this playground. Can I play in any of that? I wish.
Oh, the guys like her. I'm going to all this.
Do not feed the possums, it says.
Alright.
Feeding them can do more harm than good. See, Melbourne, they do not like possum as much as the other states, like Queensland. Alrighty, I have done a circle. Show you another thing next time.